coincidences, mysterious coincidences, losses that are inexplainable. Your name was just missing from the contract. What happened? You submitted your proposal, they sent you a copy, received. Now they cannot find it again, and it's not like a human entity took it. Listen, those online, I'd like you to call any businessman you know. Tell them to connect online right now. I want to pray for people. There is an unction tonight to bring this territorial deliverance. There are territories, there are businesses under siege. God has anointed me tonight. There is God that supplies. He is called Jehovah Jireh. I decree and declare, by that name that is above every other name, I command the spirit of poverty be banished from the body of